This short explores a gentle cough relief using cinnamon and honey, suitable for children and adults alike by warming a spoonful in lemon tea for soothing effect. In ancient times, cinnamon and honey were valued by Egyptian and Greek physicians for throat comfort, and today they are still appreciated for anti-irritant and antimicrobial properties. For practicality, mix half a teaspoon of cinnamon with a teaspoon of honey in warm water or tea, avoiding honey for children under 1 year and adjusting for adults with diabetes. Sip slowly, rest, and repeat up to 3 times daily if needed while monitoring reaction. This approach offers a comforting, accessible option with a touch of history that supports throat mucosa without harsh medicines.